Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing something very important, Ethereum. I'm going to give you an analysis on Ethereum, long-term, short-term, what's going on. Is Ethereum dead? Is going to have a explosion to the upside? Everybody's thinking, it's not going to do anything anymore. But there is something I want to show you today, which is making me believe that we're going to be seeing like a nice rally with ETH coming very soon. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe, hit the like button, and because we post one video every single day about crypto trading. I want to go and start straight away, guys, with Bitcoin. I want to show you a little bit about BTC. Then we're going to talk about Ethereum, the alt season, and all of that. BTC right now, guys, still stuck into this area over here. You can see that we are basically sitting at roughly $103,000. We have been ranging into this channel over here, and nothing has changed much. And of course, guys, because it's ranging, altcoins are going up and down, and the VIP group is taking the advantage. Over here, you can see our trading calls from myself, also from my other pro member guys. Yesterday, we took around four trades, one each from myself and the other pro members, guys. And of course, the results talked for themselves. You can see over here everybody making very, very good money, guys. We are one of the community with the highest winning rates in crypto. So if you want to join, link in the description. We have trading calls, altcoin analysis every single day, short-term, long-term, Bitcoin analysis, anything you can think of. And of course, guys, there is a little trailer over here. Once you join, it's going to explain to you what we do, and also like some trading results over here, which you can check. You can see from March 2024, everything documented. But now let's go back into BTC to see what's happening right now. So macro wise, I can see that right now, we're still following this fractal over here coming from 2023, and the expectation will be Bitcoin to reach potentially around March or April, maybe 130 to even $140,000. And I would say short term, the situation is a little bit different. You can see that we are following right now a channel over here, like an upward channel. And if we're going to be able to close above this channel over here, as you can see in this area, I'm going to go with the brush. If you're going to be able to close above $109,000 very, very soon, there I could be seeing Bitcoin to continue to go higher, potentially touching this upper channel over here at $115,000 to $123,000. But right now, the situation is a little bit uncertain, as you can see from here, because of this. I think we talked about yesterday about the Bank of Japan about to lift interest rates. And they're going to make a decision tonight. So right now, investors are a little bit nervous, thinking, oh, are we going to go down now? Where are we going to go? So I'm going to show you very quickly what could be happening short term with BTC if the Bank of Japan decides to increase interest rates. And basically, what I can see from here, we had a breakout from this area. I was showing you before as well yesterday. You can see that we had an impulse to the upside. What could be happening right now? My first hypothetical scenario is going to be a drop down to here, like a short-term drop down to $97,000 to then continue to the upside again, maybe something like that. Up to here, another drop to the downside, and this is going to happen, of course, if the Bank of Japan decides to increase interest rates, because if they're going to keep them unchanged, guys, then I can see continuation from here. But if you're going to break, and I'm going to show you this again, if you're going to break this important channel over here, you can see we are basically following now this. Okay, so if you're going to break and close below this area over here, then I could be seeing 97,000, 98,000. But if you're going to stay above this level over here, guys, we're going to continue to go higher. We are in a channel now. Okay, so that's what you have to look for right now. And I think that Bank of Japan tonight is going to be a very good catalyst to tell us where are we going to go next. Now, from a macro wise, I am still very, very bullish. I'm still expecting all season to come and all of that for a few reasons. I'm going to show you the first reason, which is making me feel very, very bullish. First of all, everybody's talking about Ethereum, saying, oh, it's dead and nobody's going to buy, whatever, fail cycle, end of the bull market. And the company right here of Eric Trump, the son of Donald Trump, basically the foundation of Trump, has bought since they was the inauguration $180 million worth of Ethereum. Unless Donald Trump, Eric Trump are a bunch, they don't understand what they're doing, as well as BlackRock buying as well, accumulating Ethereum. I'm really thinking that we should be seeing like a face melting rally with ETH coming in the next few months. Some people are asking me when is going to be the right exact time. I don't know, guys. I'm following the macro and seeing what's happening right now with interest rates, with crypto, with, of course, Donald Trump saying that they want to create a strategic reserve also with other altcoins. And I told you before that, I said that it wasn't only about Bitcoin, it's also about altcoins. So they're going to also put some, like a strategic reserve, accumulating coins in the United States, like Ethereum, like Ondo, like XRP, whatever. You're going to be seeing also like altcoins to go crazy. And second of all, guys, very, very important. Trump wants interest rates down. Okay. So everybody's talking about, oh, but the Fed is going to cut, is not going to cut interest rates and all of that. Trump demands Fed cut rates because he understands what's going on. And of course, the Fed can do whatever they want. So they're not influenced by the present decision. But at the same time, Trump is quite influential. And I really think that if they're not going to cut interest rates in January, end of January, Trump is going to get very pissed off. And looking at this, we might get like a rate cut surprise, which then, of course, if that is going to happen, is not going to be pricing into the markets, and we should see the markets to go up like crazy. Now, let's talk about as well what's happening now, what could be the expectation for the next, I would say, few weeks as well, and to see the point of the situation. Very, very simple. DXY is going down, guys. As I was saying before, the DXY dollar currency index measures the strength of the US dollar compared to the euro, the yen, and all of that. If this one continues to go down, okay, so let's say from 108 goes down to like this area over here, as I was saying before, around 97, 98. DXY, of course, that's going to be very important because when this one goes down, crypto goes up. So weakness over here is going to bring it down to then, of course, bring all the stock market and crypto higher. And of course, with Donald Trump saying, I want to cut interest rates right now, that could imply that they're going to potentially the DXY is going to go down as well, and then we could be seeing crypto to go higher. Even as well, I was talking about before the 10 years also Treasury Yield as well, very important metrics, very important leading indicator. You can see from here on the weekly chart, we had an engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle that signifies more reversal to come to the downside. So again, if the Fed is going to cut rates, this thing is going to go down like crazy, potentially down to here or even down to here. And then, of course, we should be seeing risk assets like Bitcoin and crypto to go crazy. Whenever this one goes down, stocks and crypto go up as well. Now, let's talk about very important Ethereum. Now, let's talk about Ethereum. I showed you before everything about the reason why, like, the big boys are accumulating. I didn't show you the inflows with BlackRock, but BlackRock is also buying a lot. I'm actually interested right now in few things about Ethereum. Number one is that I told you before is following exactly what Bitcoin has done before. We are about to break this area over here, so super bullish once you're gonna be able to break this area over here. So below down here, still we're gonna range a lot. Okay, I'm not saying that we're gonna go and break today or tomorrow Ethereum and we're gonna go up to, I don't know, 10,000 like some people thinking, but I'm saying that maybe in the next few weeks or so we could be seeing maybe some sideways like that, and then finally we're going to be able to break. The chart looks very bullish in my opinion. You can see that we had a break from here, like a potential bull flag from this area. We had a consolidation from here, we had another break. Now we're basically retesting this break up to here, and we should be able finally to go and form a potential inverted head and shoulder from here and go to our first target. So as a first target for Ethereum, I could be expecting to go up as probably $5,000, $5,200. So maybe do something like that. Push up to here, have a little bit of a retest from here, and then have a final target over here. My target, guys, has been always the Fibonacci extension, the 1.618 at $7,500. So that's what I'm expecting right now. Short term, I can show you as well. Let's see what's happening short term. I'm going to go on the 4-hour chart to show you exactly. So very dependent on what Bitcoin is doing right now. If Bitcoin is going to go down to $97,000, maybe we could be seeing Ethereum to go a little bit lower as well. Just to bear in mind, and I don't want to sound bearish or anything, but I'm just bringing you the facts as always. So you can see that right now, ETH, right? If I'm gonna go and post like this channel over here, from here to here, okay. Sometimes I don't like to draw the channels perfectly, touching all the points. I don't really see. Sometimes like that doesn't really make sense. I like to be more of a give more of an idea, but we could be seeing from here if Bitcoin is gonna go down to 97,000, we could be seeing Ethereum to go down again from here, and then finally push to the upside. So even in the region of 2,800, 2,700, that could be a very good area for to bid in to bid in spot. Of course, you can see like it's going to be a previous retest from here. So talking about previous support from this area, we can also drop a Fibonacci as well to see where the golden pocket lies as well. You can see that from here, yeah, the golden pocket is a little bit higher, but I would say that maybe we could be seeing maybe one more dip down to here, make everybody scared, and then finally break to the upside. And also you can see, for example, the others, talking about all season, the total three, the others, this is like the market cap um, of altcoins. Sorry, before I finish, I forgot about this, about Ethereum as well, that if you're going to go also on the weekly chart, people are telling me, when I'm going to sell Ethereum and all of that. So my reasoning for Ethereum to sell is going to be around this area over here. You can see that we got a line of here. So I would say that I'm probably going to be considering selling once we're going to go probably up to this area over here. You can see we have so much room to go higher. And the reason why I'm thinking we're going to go higher is because I don't see any clear bearish divergence in this macro uptrend. And in general, whenever you see a macro uptrend, before seeing any signs of a macro reversal, you want to see some bearish divergence playing as well. And right now we haven't got any bearish divergence. Like there is nothing over here. You got just here. We went up to this area at 3,900. Yeah, there is a bearish divergence here, but it's not telling you anything. Like to see like a proper divergence, that would be to see something like that. So a push up like that, and then you could be see something like this. And then what you do, you basically draw two lines in this way. In that case, I would say that is when I'm gonna probably be a little bit, I would say, concerned about ETH, but right now, nothing has changed in my opinion. Sorry, let's talk about others again. So others, same situation as ETH. From here, we went and basically broke this important level. We're sitting at 337 billion. We could be seeing maybe one more drop, down to here. That could definitely be on the cards, a little bit of range, and then explosion to the upside. Just remember, guys, the government is super bullish pro crypto. I really don't see why people are actually getting bearish right now. That's macro wise. I mean, it looks the Fed could be cutting interest rates, and also the government is super pro crypto to adopt everywhere. So again, might be totally wrong, but to me, it seems quite good at the moment that we should be seeing all of this to play out. Some people have like these targets, that I saw on the internet of. I'm going to go on the monthly over here on the log scale. I saw people talking about targets like. Let's just bring it over here. Something like with the altcoins, 10 trillions, putting like these kind of things. For example, connecting these points here to these points over here, bringing it over here like 5 trillion, 6 trillions, something like that. Like they just show you like they were gonna go up this way. Listen, I would say, yeah, I mean, it could happen. It could happen. I'm not saying it's not gonna happen, but that's what I do again here, guys. Once you're gonna go up to this area, maybe go up to here to, I don't know, 1 trillion, 1.2 trillions, which is already, in my opinion, a great number. I'm probably gonna consider to sell everything I have and then prepare for the next upcoming major correction. Because remember, crypto market is very volatile. So much correction coming in, so much manipulation. So be very careful once you go up to this area, and don't think once you go to $1 trillion, oh, but now it's going to go to 6 trillions, because that's the biggest mistake you can make when it comes to crypto trading. And trust me, for somebody who has already been for 3 cycles over here, I learned the hard way, and now I'm really play defense all the time. But anyway, guys, I really hope it was you enjoyed the video. Probably give you more explanation of what's happening right now with altcoin season and Bitcoin and all of that. But if you have a question, please leave a comment down below. Otherwise, I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video. Take care and see you soon.